Yo, assalamu alaikum badun ngal konto ngal bismillah bi fana kachato alnal badi mala wani fa sane bi jumalu wala april karo tilimong ani lulo la main program o kala le jang ka samana le jang YouTube and Facebook and maybe TikTok ni mantayal. So bi program o jang ku jama be nak mun la fa kamen nati mba follow la ngamira brikam area council le damende alango yankuba dabo chairman nying aning Sidi Muktar Toure me yalon gatlen gambe police force la nyaton koti police keba membe gambe je kanol sel daño kan do manding no bari yefana may Ahmad Fadi kunu nga kalam da ko ay press conference kele may la ko to mele flaka do mandim fuje bari diam la ñinga defon kanun telam bari kano ñing mi ajibe ni bafula ko kano moneti kano mu tonyal di ni be ni mo kanu ga tonyal fay ngamira o manna ka kuti mela ngabe kasiya to mando bado ni ko ila mula ko diate wala ya kanu le sito nya fay no la ngamira o manke kuti mela nga kasiya NBB ngolu ebe UDP la bom fa nyono ma include ndefan what ila do en jabi nga audio nga video doke bare nata na birim benyim programme la material sol kafukan ñu man nata realize ko ila Yusufa o ñoom kadi no membe jaman ay njabi nga video men ka fay njabi nga post Facebook janne ngamira bara lambala sawo fana kuno nga video do fana ka mela ngo mo post on YouTube bara nga post platform do to lambala sawo fana nata na ka fenko kele man tan de respond kam but obviously abe diam kam men wala ko brikam area council statement o bondi so dafa nga reaction ko wala bara mo post jam so many alon ko I'll come follow on only YouTube like maybe nitara mbaduma ninsi ala janne or maybe you can go to yankuba da wala platform o ala Facebook profile o be post ni bajele je post ni be dani men wala ni ko brikam area council ye salary increment wala ke salary increment o ngi yemenke lambala sa hawna ta wala ta ka kasiti ka kuyanda fa yefoka statement o bondi o fana mo fene de me alon ko banat la jan bari nga follow Sidi Muktar Toure ning yankuba la nyobo wala follow wala nyindi ko yankuba birimbe ko nyimba kalam dala follow nga menye do wala yankuba na Facebook ay safero bira safero ka ko Gambia politico the Gambia police force punches beyond their weight. The Gambia Police Force is meeting with our municipal police, claimed that our municipal police, which the law under Section 46 of the Local Government Act 2002, as shown in the picture below, clearly states that they are supposed to be municipal police or area council police. But the IGP, Sidi Muktar Toure, and his deputy IG, want to change the law of parliament by abusing whatever powers they claim to possess and label our municipal police as security officers. They are confusing their roles of managing private securities under Section 18 of the Police Act with that of the role of municipal police, who are mandated by the Local Government Act. Please see Section 18 of the Police Act. Screen video edit Section 18 I will try to put it for you on the screen. Since the publication of the Brikama Area Council Police on parade, the IGP and his police high command under the orders of President Adama Barrow had been on our necks about the uniform style of our municipal police. They now claim that the Gambia Police Force, relying on the same Section 18 of the Police Act, should be responsible for regulating for the regulation of our municipal police uniform. As a result, they want our municipal police officers to become watchmen and not municipal police. The demands they are making are quite simply insane. They justify their claims by relying on the fact that they are established by the Constitution and our police are established by the Statute of Parliament. But what they fail to realize is that our municipal police are part of the local councils, which are also established by the Constitution, and the Constitution confirms that such councils shall have a high degree of autonomy. Just last week, in the case of Kanifi Municipal Council versus the Ministry of Local Governments, the Supreme Court declared that the IGP's interference into KMC's local council's administration matters were unconstitutional. We want to put IGP Toure on notice that the style of our municipal police uniform is entirely a council administrative decision, which the police have no business in. The color of the uniform was approved by the state since 2004. Thus, the style of our men's uniform is not open to discussion by Chairman Yankuba Dabo. So, ngamen chute jandro wala nyiniko ka kuma sutendi Sidi Muktar Touré Gambia Police Force la ñaron ko atebe même fo kan ro wala ñu ko Gambia Police Force Brikama area council ka uniform moment dum e lafta ka ko wala jibe la uniform mo ñi amata ñabo yankuba be me yidande ka wala ñu ko uniform mo ñi mba ñamale ka 2004 itol be uniform mo ñi iba dun kanda ila mo ka uniform mo men dum loi mandate le pour municipal council e fonction municipal police ro and municipal police ñandal lola ñamen act of parliament wole wo fo and wo fota kabrin loi passed kabrin 2000 I believe 2004. Sorry, 2002 law passed that uniform warning. It has been approved since 2004. So since 2002, the law has been there, and then the approval came since 2004. So nga sanyi warning killing kumola for them. Wala mensi atawri kata for sanyi warning fula. So bari Italiana bi Sidi Muktar Touré nara nala mulu itolko nying ko nying amerol nyabo. In fact, I think there is a statement me along ko botanu Gambia Police Force bulu ka itandi komenko iko the Gambia Police Force itola kuma kan la ko the Gambia Police Force engages council and municipal security heads on uniform and operational concerns. The Gambia Police Force on Thursday, April 24th, met with security heads from local councils and municipalities to address concerns over uniform similarities and operational rules. Deputy Inspector General of Police Modu Sow, speaking on behalf of the IGP, stressed the need for clear distinctions between police and non-police security personnel to avoid confusion and enhance public trust. The Gambia Police Force acknowledged the role of the council security and emphasized the importance of stronger regulation, coordination, and alignment with established standards. Yaje pettiness benye stadium of a young kono fan damante alon ko man pare kanyil fo as ke kumandi fan as a police la. Yes, ngalon ko almu police oli state, but alnyata men understand wala ko constitution oni wala na birale yankuba kale ko aleta constitutional. Bayren constitutional ne loi fo dron ni a source no directly to the constitution and constitution nyoma do mu loi hana don ko loi nyin keda kulide mela mo la fo ya manda safiram la mo la fo bari ni constitutional loi di sembo di o mari la prayo kumo fo ya ko ke loi di ibaji la ka be la loi di bari Sidi Muktar Touré ngara to man wara la kalamta ro man taw sako ateni deputy IGP so man la defana la kalamta ro futa do man dal bodela nak because ni section o minata bi la jele bari loi nyin fa I don't think unnecessary de ngala ndi jang. The local government act very clearly. I remember for the municipal police. So I don't even know what the debate is here. Memang for la role ni ko Sidi Muktar Touré si akilo tu. Ibe bidan do ko la ngawlon. Ni bidan ka be di bodun le no ima wo muni bidan tema problem moldi but kay bidan na kelota ka sambato a certain level is very unprofessional and ibe menke kan is pettiness. This is pettiness. Ni na Amsterdam jam for example. Kudam fana badadi be example odi jang uniform sabala bi men Holland police uniform and conventional police uniform elsewhere ifatata demanding bari ni na rajibe at the same time banko ka uniform fula be bi men police le uniform kamulo amanda uniform dama masimma fana mol bi men alon ko ikam do ko sifa dole ke masimma ka tare bulu me alon ko ni ma crossi the only difference mainly men ka tare je wala police ni man police jabale kalon ka attend ndeka tara nyi silo kana lungolo memoto borindola ngal nan kamen foy ni hayna na foni ko tatela wala ye experience or yalong ye bo nyoto kendege itetare ala kalo that means it signifies nothing as long as those are not criminals. It's an established body. Jang police menu be nyum tubabu du jang amanke jandam mate be tubabu du la in general especially menu be Europe they can attest to this. Ni na nata ka satawol tema ka dulalu jibe ka dulalu regulate comme wala nsafo wala be ko be atola marché be nya bari ndola jam kan pour street market o sura man fair bari ni tata every konyodo doron e ka sentan de ngosodo jele bidikol ka taraji wo bidikol ka tarada mol ka firol ke jelto ya understand wati dole se dinim fair dula famo ke je ya fahamle okay isina entry point ka tarala be ka fo ben ko comme moto kana dunje bari nim police nata nak ani wo han having ka fo han having wol nada wol ni la moto ka dunno jela bari yal men ka taraje electronic lan sometimes manual just ne do ko landro e ka wutule do bi jaka ke electronic a chabo ka tare itolle bulani police on itella informo ni police on informo alafta kamulun do mandi ni boda je na train ol fanal men ka train o fanal train company men be jang the National Railways company ila mulu men yalon ko wollel ka ila call info such as ka je ko treno mol be ticket o so do treno kono men ka check in ke sometimes sorry conductor le fon ka check in ka but comme like e security so men ka bula treno kono ni metro kono sometimes sorry katra lorem train station do ka je ko no ni congestion be caring just to be on the lookout ol fana line fo mon police tamuro Sidi Muktar Touré ibe men na bula. This is pettiness. Outright pettiness la nyindi. Nafa wana fata nyinna. Nyi manke this is a non issue. Ye Gambia jela batame mbebe Gambia. Almante nyum kumala be albe ma wulin la fanyi. Bar si ditata do ko le rebe bitan do ko wala. Bitan do ko dum mandiya de. Bitan do ko mandiya. I swear down. You know mo jamale ije yi nak ikoy munu mo kendol. But you are going down a very petty road. A very petty road. There is nothing wrong with this. This is a legit entity. In fact, ning atol ning kubeje al nyanda kanyul encourage le because membe je wala nyindiko ndesan Gambia la ndron autonomy nyum mam no natanun ko kol ba nyama Gambia government the lack of security membe kira atol nyanda ka security farms all le jo right now pour calma ko security dolla ko dolla because jang masa kunda ala kanyul jo men yala ko wolle ka tara nanyin city central to jay be dulal jibe le be ba make sure nyin jonki le men ko tara touri be fayrin dulal to be kol kile be you know ibaje la ko nyin sum mesengol dolbe ji amanjare you know ibukam men ala ke fine le ron wol ko fine sol be le keno almost police ko han ko fol be bul nyin sprayle be bul ya understand. So I don't know what your problem is. You have to be progressive in your approach. Alala time mota al ninyul there is no competition. Ninyul man raje nyul be do ko men do ki ka masakunda central government nyanda ka molle jo men yalan ko wolle nyanda ka do ko ge membe ko wolle katara public place hold adu nyul bo wolle kegan e katara public place hold such as markets ibal ma ko kan e bala do ko so ne kan in other parts of and that is very expensive nin jannam security la do kata up to 30 euros per hour 25 to 30 euros per hour security la do ko jang ma fo police hold men ga nyim private security ke nga fo nyul men ni police hold la info mo kamulo because adoko mandia mansa have to pay mansa literally have to pay priatar public place holdo ning events all be caring police ka do ko menke ko kol me ko ni moli ke fine ke alman ika alman will be no that means at some point I want to believe that in police hold a certain database la because near fine okay fine ka police la fine ka na nyame to la fine police la name fine ba to la mam fine nena traffic fine so from police nga you know, instant sambar kudije ka sa fele dron ni ma objection so dron they send you a mail ya jo and the telephone attack ka wala nya the same thing. So what is the confusion here? Alkana wasifalke alkana mo labanko alkana tension wuli ni mera ka man necessary gambe police force nak nga jeri ko mo so dol yele bar dol bi yen sewol jalay no demba so ila ma ka man sia bar ni be finti bu ka finti ku kendek pate ka finti na finti ta I think Gambia, you know, Paris should have won Man of the Year in a certain category last year. Like him or hate him, Alanga Tonya Fonyo. Pare Jallo, Brikama, Dimbawu left a Kauli, Pare Latata Ye. And then Brikama Consul called Sita Yako Dimbabo. You understand? In fact, there was a kind of small protest, you know, tear gas fighter and all that. Pare Nadajani City Diamond. Sinya Fulakata Brikama, a Kobuka escalate. Ubore Kenakudiamo Fanakita combo, somewhere in Combo, Amra Burfoot Mafon. Parallel police, even though they were armed, as a neutral observer, I feel he had another award winner in Gambia. Last year, I menke from a law enforcement perspective was just an incredible job. Like him or hate him, I'm just a neutral observer. But in terms of competent because you couldn't define torture at the council, at the commission. So that signals like incompetence. So niko be bula la nyi mesen ku mesen wala noma pour que la bo satisfy Adam Barrow satisfy, you know, you just gonna, you know, put yourself in trouble in future. Nyi manke kelati al nyanda ka men kika. Nyi manke ku dal nyanda al fan tika ndila menna. This is nonsense, absolute nonsense. Because it's a non-issue. Gambia, there are several issues to deal with. Nyul train, one of the things me and I found Brikama yenyum police olta, ye jamata up to 367 ko. Marche don kolu. Boglari. Allahu Akbar. Allah do ko altele nyanda ka boglal mu right either before a crime or commit or near commit or nila faka commit. Nyil ko be mol men yalon ko wala ka kanting wala ka kodo jo. Mol men ka kodo jo. Ila faka wala makoy. Marse kon. Ka make sure ko they protect their properties. They protect their lives. What are you guys trying to do? What are you guys trying to achieve? What? Metamila Jela. Let's come to my Ahmad Fadila audio better at Manyama back.
Ako, jada kende abunda abilam furim back in Banko kan. And the mota for ko jada kende abunda atimatale asabritale mo be fananya da konta la kola. Mo be fakan jangaro lamini alon ko imanya nakafa. musobe wulu kan dulalto min ya lon ko e akoleate bulu fodo katu tingoto andum e borol fanan buka sodo lu fanan fanato nyimbe be kulle min ya lon ko to nyalamu mo de kelo la nin to nyabe lori wonin ki to nyabu ka keleno so mi safati nyimbe mu ku soto ne di sonta nyilale
okay my Ahmad Fatih mala kunun ay ko press conference me ka mola haklo bulan doro so my la press conference o nte fentende da fo yamaro mbay may yamar la menna because nte nga like le anu may fo nga yalla na konte ma kon anu momo kante fo lo fa yalla na ko man jam fa may cour comme nana rek public criticism la so but nga mi rawma if anything fo na way in position better pour ka to nya fay one thing wala nyindiko and in fact any statement do me nga fote nga la contradiction do je Watson Gambia ko ako healthcare system is better under Barrow than Jawara and Jammeh combined. Could be true. I personally interfere. That's something debatable, and if anything, maybe Tonya Lafamas, I don't know. But womu Tonya Damange Tonya, I think is immaterial. Come menu for Canada improvement be program ojibe. Context is very very important. New program of follow is very important that no context ni often put out there. My Ahmad Fati. Okay, ChatGPT ko nyinga longo wole fenkira back. People were running on that. But we have to go to the root cause of everything. Ko start amin dole. So follow maye kuma dole fo. Ako amanjere nga 1 billion Gambian dollars spend on Yaya Jammeh. Pour Yaya Jammeh sama kitiola. Obare je kibar do na rafindi. Ka fo ko men ko may ko ama left kata exile adung wosi kenola kuri me ala ka be realize la na rongo UDP masakunda sodal. When confused do mandi andu nimbeto nya fla mbarandi. Kuma follow nak ay même fo ngamira critique so do fanal boyta kan baring al nga to ñaf baring ni ajibe may mu victime la di Yaya Jammeh la jamano la anu hane ko iman son may la victime yala ay kelo kele anu may wato mena ala patiolo anat la UDP kan ani UDP struggle kele nti I will never forget 2006 bang imanyina may ni luada be combo ko no I was there the last day of the meeting at ngala fike nyum flow mix la dokita Africell le 2011 I was there, 2006 I was there, but one of them was in Africell, one of them was in I don't know, Serekunda West Pakoto. But in any case, my baby maybe jele mbije nya maije I was not eligible to vote. I think it was 2006 I wasn't eligible to vote at the time, but I admired them and I was running after them. Ngamala biriga manta ni tata fo nyola for Pabila side Congo domo rajel then simanta jel then we went on to the meeting either Serekunda West or Africell headquarters. So that's how some of us started to admire you, because we felt you are an ally. You are definitely an ally. So oboraje ko dege ita may kilingo ina take the ministry. So bring the ministry. I don't know whether or not you can remember the kind of hope that you gave us. I don't know if you can remember this. You gave us hope. You kind of restored hope in Gambia and Gambians. Biri lota ikeda interior ministry. Kujamal leketa banko kanje and we lota nyamenje banko nyin as minister ay nyafal. You understand? So a lot of us felt you are a patriot and you are somebody may along competent. So but things fall apart. And if anything, ngamira me atina cool na tinya wala kukili wanya nagala dalilor mena nyuma sakunda fonga nyanta jamfalal wala mundi kibaro men findita no wala baroko he wasn't satisfied with you agaman satisfied la monegera ako APRC ko len man tara la firim baake la ko wala wende dimi baak ni ata ko may fati bondi ko mo walti ka fa ko APRC ko le man comfortable wala woto may mu gambe dinken dolti bare APRC be kambe dan ko wala bondi may belori wala abe abala do ko wala ko man kondan oto may mo dinken dolti nde belori may fe wala. So when concerned back that ibota masakunda kono one of the things men findi da menanga clear do manding ko APRC ko le man satisfy la ko la no APRC ni leftana la ka join baroka. So as a result ye bonni masakunda kono. I could be wrong on this, but this was the perception at the time and then was not fiercely contested by anyone to be false. So having said all that, ila critics or recently jamaka memfo ko imo multi me alongo ibe kamfarin mune be kamfarin Allahu alam, but kam fa ka itandi la kuma kan isi akelo I think you were right kafuko jamme you're right. Whether or not whether you are right or wrong is immaterial. I think you have the you have the right than anyone else from Kafuko Jamaica 1 billion spend because you are a victim and you are part of the struggle. So I think you were at liberty to say such things. Kafuko Manyana 1 billion spend on Jame. I absolutely believe you had that privilege, you had that right. You were at liberty to say such things. So many are criticized. Well, definitely all criticize them. Because I think, 1 billion, spending 1 billion on Jame is definitely outrageous in the first place. It's unnecessary. Because international community and our international partners can help us. So, 1 billion go spend no. I definitely will say no. Even Ghana government is willing to help. So, what are you talking about? 1 billion? And we also know there are international one of the legal entities that can be set up is what you call the hybrid system of hybrid court system. Hybrid to incorporate both national and international law kalua bungolondi. Basically no Mike. And I think that's also a wise one. Ibajala funding sabonam from outside. Hana don't go funding me bala Gambia warala back. We provide resources. We made resources available to the court. Many along they are already with us. We don't have to buy anything. We don't have to, outsource any other thing at the expense of taxpayers. So I think that was okay. So many are criticized, and definitely criticize that. So, but UDP kumo nyimfo kafoni UDP CDB borla bita exile mte baratale. To be very frank with you, I was shocked and surprised at the same time. Ngamira ko woman jare. In fact, bring aje nyolani sole asapen ko okay, maybe kuma kama be fintilana. So bari damendo fana yala ko mistake on araje ntela jero ntela hagle ne wala nyini ko. Wo kuma fulo men be fota. Fe manjare press conference la. Fente ko na manjare la press conference la. Fennete je manjare la press conference la. So enata press conference la. Kuma kama men fota je of course wol kanata jama male wala na ngani oyo do na tena jang. And I have seen in some instances many alonko ikabaro tentlo but near ke jamabeje I have not seen one where without any criticism at all. So I think a person like that is even necessary to be by the president. I think he should have just incorporated you because I don't think there's anything wrong with you working in the government. You have the competence. But nindelam personally ngaja nyamen ko bari nyinko amal lafi ala APRC ko mal lafi ndela and wolbe jil hanisay est-ce que nden hakil tula nyin do ko nyoyato ba ba comme pour que diamo nyi ba ni diamo nyi nata non ko yedu ma sakuna ko nolbe diamo ban sa enden to be damen I feel like you should just get the job. You should be inside the government hitara do ko because that's more important. You are one of the few people mena ngo se fem fono baro ele ayela moy or maybe it's a other side ntol kamenu dol echo is woltanol fanan kay dandala as a some sort of criticism or good advice. Nobody je mbadunga bo mayla kuro sai mbemba tramela audio bi janne lafta kam mbemba la audio na de bar janne mbemba la audio na la I just want to bring you Mamadou Sabali kuma dole because yalon kereng fanambe jang amandra atada kan abati nyaka. So Mamadou Sabali ya dadung birkama area council la nyin diamo nyin actually fam janunga nanu mayla ko nyanda telephone na la because ataya dadung mendo wala nyido ka ko ako good morning Gambia. Good morning Sonko Gambia abe bayo Sonko tag gang Facebook. I am here listening to Kora Classic Chedo played by Blessed Hands of late Alaji Mbai. Okay, let me just go to this point straight. I remember for Kamea is relevant to this program. I'm gonna be spitting fire on this page here today, inshallah. Meanwhile, I am humbly appealing to you to please advise your brother, Chairman Yanks Dabo, to treat our IGP with respect. Your boss' attitude towards central government authorities leaves a lot to be desired. And it is about time we call him to order. Or else, what? Or else you are trading Ganafo? Or else you are trading Ganafo? Sabal lebe nyim foganda. But anyway, I don't think Sabal is relevant in this conversation. Ani aje Sabal man jam fanyindo Sabal knows better. Sabal yalla na nyindo lo kulti ku kunta on la nyolti. Sabali ila instinct no mo sometimes. Intel ngal ni nga sabero jibe ntefi. Sabali knows the truth here. But munatena Sabali will not, you know, go a little bit deeper than this. Okay, mbela safer dol bat la ngaji be munafala. Okay, so nobody jambe menkela membe Watson Gambia fene safer mbo review la jando manik Gambia la civil service ko kata nyame ko mbatu jani woto mbaro ngana jani WhatsApp be close la mbatu. Okay, ngas termino dolje ko lambala la be to be safer ngabala duma so ko lambala la. Okay, that folks mag jane ka safiro ganya so narun ko nyimu lambala tonya so sa UDP be sonna ko mag jane be bul nyame NPP lambala sa be bul nya, but I'm not so. So this statement, to be honest, ala duma lambala sa wala to be. I came across this notice circulating on social media platforms that Brikama area councils folks, I came across this notice circulating on social media about Brikama area council's decision to increase the salaries of their employees for up to 200%. Okay, 200% telang ofo. Brikama area council ma for 200%. Wolko we have sorry, yung video nyo ma post nung nanyang platform. So I don't know, mga mbatra lang nga post yan. But video nyo ma post YouTube. Biring kanala na realize ko I did not post it on YouTube, nga post Facebook la ning TikTok. Okay. Eko the interesting thing, okay. The interesting thing is that it's very sad that UDP support some of these things I have to make it up to make it sound okay for the listener, okay? Because no the number la verbatim member jang alta fahamla. Okay? The interesting thing is that the supporters are the UDP supporters are sharing it on social media platforms unknowns. That is a shame because the act itself is reckless and is a corruption. Okay, I'm not so maybe no because you the only reason behind the unsustainable salary increment is council staff to enrich themselves on the detriment of taxpayers. So pour atul me along ale comprehension long. Pour nga itanda lambe mung struggle le kono jang ala increment to increase ni ya spell as INREACH increase, not INCREASE, no, INREACH. Okay, there is no government in the world who has ever increased the salaries of its employees up to 200% at the same time, more also a local government, because now the large chunk of money that the council is collecting will be spent on salaries alone. According to the Local Government Act of 2002, the 60% of council collection should be given back to the taxpayers in terms of development projects like water, sanitation, feeder roads, school healthcare centers, and natural disasters. Council is paying low income earners of $2,000 and cannot give back the stipulated 60% to taxpayers. How about giving low income earners $6,000? Anyway, no so la fale melon ro wala lambala statement bari lafta menkela jang wala nyini ka kayita ni lambala lako menkira ja wala nyindi ko 200% increment on is minimum wage wala nyindi ko men ya longo ike sonung ika 2000 la soro wala ni dara do gudla entry level job nying menu nda security force menu clerk quality force, you know, ya understand menu nara council do wala dum follow the drive wala lamba whatever. Ila salary menu ya lonko bare minimum 2000 ya wala samba yake 6000. So minimum nying ya wala keje i mafoko councilolu chairmanu senior administration officers no is minimum wage. Okay, wala nyini ko doko wala jodo ata nyawanya yalon Dr. Sismaila Ceesay ka fa government nguur bi def la jox cushion li moy cushion yalon Sismaila tay wo fo ka be mol disip ka be abe mol nene kan cushion aga membo mazakuna be cushion diga. This is what you call cushion. Nyimu cushion wala nyini ko bu jolonta nyawanya ila salary do ata nyawanya 6000 ita mankila wala nyindi yam faamla. et c'est bien ngata media lambala mala fika na la ko fana ko rek so bodo je ko rek ngana mbemba drama la audio do no let me go to Watson Gambia la ibe Gambia la civil service let describe kanya, and I think this is very interesting and important. Okay, alinga hakilo refresh them ako the Gambia civil service we told you many times before, the Gambia civil service is not serving the people. It's being exploited by senior officials for their own personal gain. Nothing here. Now let's break it down for everyone, so everyone can understand. Let's say Ibrahim Ajeng is appointed as minister, permanent secretary, or director. Here are some of the first things he's likely going to do. He will request a brand new Toyota Prado. True. He might ask for his office furniture to be replaced to erase all the marabut work by his predecessor. True. In fact, the vice president woko e korda we mol tap 419 nga fa la korda foni sa e topoto ay maintenance ay nga blado fana foni na vice president fon wonyo keba hadu meron fon nena nyamo. I'm very ashamed of that old man. Ite ke vice president de ga monsa kundala ko do ga ko spend maintenance kun ite ke ba ite be dogo la fo retire it la bu mo fund is not enough ye ke vice president incentive member ni vice presidency nada it wo ko do kono ite man penta no ka use ke la korata ka maintenance. We had to pay for that. Imagine yete bondi JB modo fana nada we have to pay for maintenance. Point number 3, if he has children or have become if you have children who have completed grade 12 or graduated from UTG, he will try to secure them jobs at institutions like GRA or GPA, places that handle taxpayers' money. He will push for scholarship for his children to study in Ghana, Malaysia, Sweden, England, or other countries abroad. He will try to get a cousin or close relative registered as a government vendor, awarding him or her inflated contracts worth millions of dollars so they both can profit. He will outsource some of his department services to companies willing to pay him hefty kickbacks. Now, let's talk about how government institutions operate. Over 90% of them don't have functioning website or social media pages. Even if they do, you won't find any useful information there. Over 90% of their telephone lines don't work. If you need help, you will have to contact someone on their personal mobile phone number. Thank you. Over 90% of officials use their private email accounts for official business. So when they are fired or retire, all their records will go with them. Okay. Now let's look at recruitment. Only in the Gambia can a son or daughter inherit a job from a retired or deceased parents. Many employees of GRA and GPA, Gambia Ports Authority, got their jobs this way. Public institutions rarely advertise vacancies. Jobs go to family members, neighbors, or friends. That's why you often find over 15 people with the same name, surname in one department. What about annual leave? At places like GRA and GPA, where staff are heavily involved in corruption, employees often avoid taking their annual leave. In fact, last year, GPA had to force some workers to go on leave. Some of them had not taken a single day off since they were hired at the Banjul port. Why? Because if they are away, they might miss out on extra money, and someone might expose their secrets. Their secrets may be revealed. So if because on this is also very, 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 very pathetic. So I'm member drama la moy. Atafana be diam kam may Ahmad Fati la ñun ko la ñun controversial topic ko men about may kunu member be diam kan no wala.
Yo, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Buba abe nyaadi la. Buna be diarendo. Ebe ko len ko di. Bilay ñi telefono ko no be bisirim baake len kala audio jele audio be sharing Amadou Sankara may fatila audio fana ki ngaw jele dulal be audio be sharing dron sa fo nyadron yo bare fen killing ne be caring is very important for Gambia din be o fam bare jamala londo man sigi han say ndele man politiko dam ta jina mbir nduna kono sayem sanji sagi ngol ka kono bare sanji sago kono franga fen jamaje nyala nga kuje ma fam ñu ko kon because politiko mo hakli mal talati hane say Gambia din ma ñu faamu ka fako mo men kata wulo kono ka senoki senela meccole mo ka senoki mo men ka senoki seno mo meccolati numu ya mu meccorati mason ya ka bun lo mu meccorati lawyer ya mu meccorati kapinta ya mu meccorati the same thing politico fana mu meccorati mo ma ñine understand donc kapinta kam men try ala yiro ka manage pra kana tinya wala ni nata yiro sanga bula ka kuma dima men fo pour ita yiro sang mo men fana ngalon ka seno ka la mangidi ni kati wala la banana kati kata wa fa kam men fala banana kunto pra ga firi ni ko mason nyen ko ya do ko no la ko ha o mason kam men fo pour que te hakilo saba pour ga ta do ko keyin the same thing politician of fana kan ni ne fo men bati fana febola mo ba nyin dal fa mo bare sa problème bi dami politician o nyimbe kuma kete menyen fo hakilin te kala ba bar ni mangi bu ñoko ne ka bata bakale politician no be men fole teng ala kumo anto bayla de barabe kuma kete menyen sigira hakilu jakabo nyimbe men fokan abo nyaare fante wonya bar may fati raitan de gambe bela ko anin baro mu kaf ñoti son tawla baro fana ngayta gambe bela ko anin may fati mu kaf ñoti son tawla baro rayta mo la ko 2016 may fatiga role bale pili ala ko kono son tawla barona ta foko may fati mala loyanati son to fanana barona ta ita ko ngamaki may fati tale ngaki de minister of interior ti ngo faname o baro kilin sagita ga may fati bay aga ita mo la ko nga bay gambela interest solo campus ka be gambela interest solo kasaraka andu may mu mo golti ngala mantiling wala ka ke nga bay ngo faname may fati fanal lota ako albe sigirim baro be nyim banko tinyal alba jibe kan hanifa be kumbola ngo fana me o may fati kilinga na patio lo man patio sambano patio be jenjen tabulo kono ngo fana nyala atata fala mansa tinyata balu ala fakale menta manke no mansati mo fanta ko mo ta bulu man kita man lo no yolo ni be lo la mansa yala IEC ka 10,000 votes ikolo ngini ka prira fulfill ka register may mo fansot no banko ngine gala fail o may kilin tata failta barona ta ka bay balu gole ta bulo kono loya man tano balu ko tante kering atata fala ko sita into mo membe mansa ngini kan mo membe president ngini kan mo membe loya mbati atata fasita inda ko bari mfota ngini bela batu ngata dibite ya ngini wuluta damen ngo faranje atata wuluta damen a dibite ya ngini ngi ati fangni mele mun naklim faklinti e kayen ko ni kunte kala kumbente lele ga fay nyamo kono ngo faranje no tata fo balu gole ta bulu a baro walin akayen ko ntele ni mu kaf nyoti yam fama wonte na balu be golan baro kay nay kafu ma bari be kala mbulla kuma lalati ako bismillah no natalo gambe dini yen ka foko bero nyina 2026 do or die kunta may fatima de may fati bala mechol keka aldo ngali kana bali nyindi faala balu nyini ala nyo fahamu bala be kuma ka tel meli ite mu jonti ngena nyi membe kontite may fati ko ni baro kaftale kabidin ngome baro ko nim may kafta kabidin ngome baro ko mayirante de mal 2016 ngo fana me baro ko ngamay taka palaso diala ngo fana nje baro kilin sage taka may bay ngo fana nje ira nginin ka ko ni raje nga bay gambele interest solo tabe gambele kasarka ngo fana nje may ka be kala president man keno abota wo kon la tata fana ko tinyata ka be kala dibiteti ate fon wuluta banko men ka tata non fana man keno no may kilin nata murnaring president baro kan koteke ka je ko mbe fasala i d'accord ta kutlinka o baro kilinga ita makila kafum may fati la kafuma o may fati kilinga lo gambe din tema ko nyina bere fayo do o dai abe kuma ka teli meninye ni hakilin tetre wala sono me kura na bela ko nyabe bulla mo gonte baro wafuno la gambe kono silang ben rolo ne baro ga gambe le mara sanji kononto sanji tankule bayinde jigo membe baro le mo tana wo fala mo yen kotake imam mellon inene maji amanke nyala isolo to sagi mogol yem pour yalla bar mo ga mo mellon kabra kunto fasindo kuma le beti da ko ne bina men fono mogol wala ko to kotaki ala kana may bata may fati bata na man nyin kante balula andu nalka bo baludula kuntula alnata benado kankilin kan ala bulata men fula rafa do ngasi election ma
okay memen kala don bare programme on mina dana jane sorry astaghfirullah atamela mbadana because I think I will have to do another recording because lafta Yusufa jabilal Yusufa lafta ne keba ba lafta yebulal be Yusufa jabilal ba jano memen kala don be Fatou Soumaré audio dol na la me alon ka be den topic ko la me alon ko wala NPP la ñing kalabande ambe kere ne jege doron ko nde wada patio bar mina me kuma nim fayla mbe UDP fana mbe dandalar nden dile la ñing ko do mbaru nga ñi musun wala ma folo
kadi ni be MPP lafita moto wala lafita place o lafita ko do so be siri place e ko de ñene ñaara fayede fat e ko do soto fat fero ke e bo MPP ibe bo MPP dron kirim ba so ko male non ila semen na fa fanten minute ba so la na nga be la fayden it left ko do sign the left place o left ka ini adama shi
atonya
sanji na no be ko na ini adama man shi left ni adama shi face to face nyani nya
tonya dro
e ma ka wala wulin mo mammo wulude nim banko ka mo kilindi yamma nga mo wulu ni kada tagi nya don kodi tegi nya don ga yalo ran te ko ta suna da tegi dun dan ko le be wallo barakate la kina so fendi nya don ko di ne ya de meta da fon man ran na banko sambaga birim jawra buta je fo banko man ta ko dum na ke wal kam na fe ga gambia jawaranta banko di zano bari ale mol de male
ila ko man sa
ala amarol dala ngamaro man ra mo wulude uto ni mbaro fu nandi je mo do le be na uto mo mon di hanni be ko da ko suudi yalla kana fa ndira na ko da do kala nyaadi hanni de mo leti ke ko da nyaato ko bari me ke ko da nyindi ko se tele daade o di la kol bet le bulul mo se wolongi kadi ni be
ay même photo nyalam ya jale NPP ko kay kalabande agale nga do la problème yalla jani nga tanu november bring nga fo october la fo november nga li fo tanu bu ganyum programme jamal ke ko tege you know of course murana men be Facebook and TikTok wol kan jela do man mbar YouTube fa ma dan jela so bar before nga break nyinda you know mbela sonko do ko ba kanu nyamina ni si wala modo jegi dal dron ato fa nga to fa mo remember bara ma nyere nga to fa ako abara je itara mane ne kasa ka modol jela ko yalla aussi wal after dol na ka you know they were showing resentment and dissatisfaction and disappointment actually some NPP members by the kan comment like you know ital bebe parti ko no la nyi mari na ra fa nyorandi dorong aka bada jele dara ka mane ne kana ka you know privilege dol dia la mena ka mol le soto non you know anda mari be bo kanje dalilo men kama dalil fon table and they still continue to do these things. NPP continue to do these things hani bimbe bakan kilem fula iko ebo pat okay nyi musu ndada to fula o musu nyakulu ba UDP ngo sa alka nyosa bula musu lella bula musu alka nyosa mome alon ko na fata la ferem moma alon anywhere wala jegi da ka bada UDP abe NPP UDP ngol ba fula mne bijana ba mne dada ala bula ita ida abara UDP dingo 100% ni o to hani mome long fereng wala hani darjata nyanya UDP wala mome long ni accuse NPP la akoda ra fafra WhatsApp group wala ibe findele de ye call senende na mari mandiam ala filije atata nga bele fale nal bulara ko no madron atala bina mal nal bulara ko no madral be mal because minega amari ala mind make le capital an wol gëna musu ni wala ko alfata albobula musol noma alfata bula musol ma almol bula ni mol koy fu bodal patiol tole iko bita ali buleta bo kuntan kalantang opportunist do forolu kala kumbalu man fellom fa sukur domo ado alka fam batando ni ko tata li filije UDP dingo aba satisfying o aba dissatisfying patio kono nyawanya dimo ya accuse ka findidal abe findila fan clair nin kudo ta koma terra kuma senata juna bar kula ba koma de imagine na kibar dol jewul ba fa ko hay ko gofno mo no kafu ñoo mali bula si seni murute mak teriyati je ni mbadi ngol lel mude mofat bar si sene murute materia di ka ko ko government no mala tir friend le di bla bla antama law ko wala na interest for enko governor e gala onkulti governor e gala grandfather ti amanke UDP ngati be pare mo fon lo UDP mo fon yeg UDP mo fon kala lo UDP ni ka tar alfa tabla musul mali buleta al mi buleta ila hajola ali tuje iballa tay mo lo wesla anen kal malundi al jawol nyala this is all they gonna do mayin program o dana jan I think bi mandat dogola is my option if I want to go because ngana maximum hours all dogola already for the week so bim Friday dina de nyam fon sita na de but I think I will do another segment because usually ni ma so jani jabi ndabe njani kan malam ba fa nyade ndabe fenk kan nyame ni ma jabi bi sa ma jabi lelo so bari I force have to do process this video ngo select then after mina inshallah me recording do kala me alon ko be Yusufa mo kundang kalantang nyomen ka bar billahi nyom bar alfa nyola kullu albol mo la jana nyomen gol alfa nyola kullu al mama nyola 1970 yeb tiarol men ke banjul mina lo be zara la leja sama ko na le Yusufa jana en tofo alba bla ne ko fadayem alla kankuran don mbari mbadom ngana don yo me programme o nyum badan na janne fo wati do